Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see from the title, that it's some birthday special. So, thank you everyone for wishes. So I actually celebrated it with my family, and then I thought that you guys are also my family, and it's been a long time since I have been live. So I thought I should be live today. So thank you so much. And it's not a tech live stream at all. I would just like to thank you everyone for supporting me all the time, and it's been a pleasure to share the knowledge with you guys, and the way everyone has given me whatever I have in terms of you know the respect which I have got from you guys, or the even the feedbacks about my sessions, my talks, or videos which I uh, usually make. So thank you everyone, thank you for everything. You are also a part of my family, my day-to-day life. So that's why I thought that even if it's a birthday, it's not complete without family. And I'm not a party person, so I try to um, spend time with my family. And thank you so much again for the wishes. And still people are actually posting good messages. Thank you so much. And apart from this, I was actually thinking about making a podcast today, but then I thought I have two options. One is making a podcast, or making a live stream, and I felt that live stream would be a better idea. And to be honest, I always feel that when you connect with people, when you talk with them directly, then you have lots of things to share, and you have lots of things to hear. And when you are directly interacting with them, if you have met me anywhere in the world, or maybe anywhere in India, then I am a very talkative person. And I try to listen to everything whatever someone is saying, and I try to explain everything whatever in my mind. So thank you so much. And don't write, sir, it does not look good. I guess I'm not. You guys are almost the same age of mine. I mean, I can be 1 or 2 years older than you, nothing else. So thank you so much for the wishes. I really appreciate you people are doing something for me, because everyone is busy in their schedules. I know, I can understand it more than anyone. And it's been a great day so far, because not like I slept the entire day and I had to visit the Mac service center as well, because I lost my charger in Kolkata event, and then I had to buy one charger. And today is Saturday, so I got some time, so I bought a charger. Then I submitted my old MacBook, because Apple sent me an email that they can replace the battery for free. So I said, okay, why not? So I went there. They wasted my one more than an hour or so, and then I came back. So it's been a very long day for me, but at the end, all is well, because of your messages, your responses, your calls. So thank you so much again. And oh, so again, I can see a lot of messages. This live stream is a little bit delayed because of the software which I use. I don't know, it's not good for, I mean, the video quality is not that good, because I am using the webcam of my laptop. I don't have a DSLR, so I don't even want to buy one, because I don't know how to use that, because I have never used it. And because I'm not a video guy, okay, I'm not a photographer, or whatever you want to say. I have a good phone, so I sometimes use that to make videos. So okay, that's about me. So because we are not talking tech, so apart from that, anything you can ask for, because we'll talk tech after this. And I can share few things with you. I visited recently Kolkata for the Dev Fest. It was a great opportunity for me, as well as for the audience, I feel, because there were a lot of great speakers there. The management, not management, the team behind everything, the team who is managing everything there, is like they have become like, when I went last time in August last year, it was a very small team first of all, and the audience were coming there, like they were really interested. And then now I feel that they have worked really hard. I have seen that people there have very good future with technology. I mean, they try to do things, they are working for that. So good to see that. And this time the crowd was amazing. There are a lot of people. I talked with a lot of people, and the response was great. Thank you, Kolkata, for being there, and thanks for the support. So this one was for Kolkata. Now next is I am visiting Siliguri, and Siliguri on 24th and 5th of August. Then maybe I'll be here in Delhi or somewhere else as well. I haven't planned exactly where I want to go, because I'm looking for those places where people usually don't go, or you can say that where people actually need me or anyone who can motivate them. So I don't know how good I am in that, but I'll definitely try to help those people. Chalo, let's read some messages. So it's about PUBG tournament. I don't play PUBG. अब मुझे आता भी नहीं है, to be honest. I have never played PUBG. I have tried once when it was launched, and I mean, it was not even launched in India. So I downloaded it from somewhere, not from Play Store, because it was not available Play Store. It's a good game, but again, don't waste so much time in that until unless you actually want to become a gamer. So I used to play a little bit Counter-Strike in my college days, and a lot of other games, which is amazing. I mean, there was a time when you used to watch Cartoon Network, and then I used to think that cartoon is everything. But at that time, Cartoon Network was one of the best channels. Okay, the cartoons were very good. Now people watch Doraemon, Shinchan. I don't understand them very well, but it was not good cartoons, I feel. I don't know. I mean, people can people can have different opinions about that. So similarly, games are good, but I mean, that snack ladder game over those Counter-Strike, or no, Contra was there, Mario, those games were ultimate, right? Even these days games are very nice. I mean, the graphics have become much better, but still I feel that those were very nice. So we'll play PUBG someday for sure. I'll try to play, and we'll make a group there, and we'll try to play. PUBG is okay. It's kind of trending game of 2018-19, so we should play it. Flutter Live next year, I don't know if it is about to happen or not, but we wish that it should happen, and if it will happen, then you will get to know if you are connected with me anywhere on social media. I mean, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. So I will go offline at 10 o'clock, because still I have 2 more hours to talk to my family, to talk to people. I'm still talking to you. We have 10 minutes. And so basically, one more update is that I'm gonna make a complete tutorial for an application which uses Flutterblock, which is a DevFest application which I open sourced very recently. So I will be making a full tutorial on it very soon. I was planning to release some videos this week, but this week I was very busy. Even I was planning to do many live these live videos, but it's very difficult to have some time to make videos, so it's difficult. So at the end I'll be making those. I have to make few podcasts. There is my app Radio, which you can download. Radio, okay, so you can download that and you can hear all the podcasts. I'll also upload some of them on YouTube. One is there already. Then this is the next video series which I'm gonna make. Then I'm also trying to bring something new. I'm not sure whether it's gonna work or not, but there is always something new which I am working on. So let's see if we can plan something, and if I can deliver something good to you. I'll definitely make one video on how to contribute to open source projects, because it's a question which many people have asked. Again, I wanted to ignore this tech topic, but at the end this is the thing we do and we have to talk about it, right? So tech is good, but I wanted to give you a message that, see, tech is good, but don't be a techie only person. I mean, give time to your family, give time to your friends, do everything which you can do, because sometimes when I'm also very much busy in all these things, it's very difficult to first of all manage the time, and then you feel like you are missing things, you are missing your family, you are just doing one thing all the time, so it's also not good. So I also try to manage time properly so that I can give time to myself, my family, my friends, you guys, and everyone. So let's see what will happen, but this is just my view. About Hindi videos, I'm trying my best to make many Hindi videos, but I have failed so far because of I don't know how much time it's gonna take to reach to that position where I can make videos in different languages, but it becomes little bit difficult. So let's see what happens. Something good will happen. Okay, thank you Infinity Loop. I'm reading every message, by the way. It's just like it's coming that fast that I cannot properly read it, but yeah, it's mostly about the birthday wishes. So thank you so much again for wishing me on my birthday. It's a great thing. I mean, I lost one more year, but that's a good thing. Okay, 1 year is gone now. I don't know what will happen the next year, but this year was very nice for me. I mean, the entire 2018 to 2019 so far has been so good for me. I have learned a lot of things, I have delivered a lot of things, I have experienced a lot of things. So overall it's been good, and let's see how the next year is gonna be. So it's not a tech video. It was just like talking to your family, talking to your friends, that what you guys are doing. So let me know in the comments that what you guys are doing except the tech part. Okay, we still have 5 to 6 minutes in 10 minutes, so we can talk about something else. Maybe you are interested in music, because I am. Okay, I am so much interested in music. People who knows me also knows that how much I am into music. I also love writing few times, but obviously I don't have that much time for that. But music is the best thing in the world. Another thing is that what else I like again, that will be more tech stuff, so let's not talk about it. Okay, so anyone wants to share anything can share it here. And see, we are those people who are into tech. So we always have some other interests as well. I personally believe that, because the people who are into tech, they are brilliant people obviously, and they have many talents, not just playing with softwares, not just playing with things, um, not playing with people. Okay, so that's one thing. And I believe everyone has many talents, and what I have learned so far is that there were many things which I could not do in my past or in my past years, but now when I have that opportunity, then I try to do everything. I even asked one of my friends that, I want to do some acting. Okay, I used to do some plays in my school, so I still have that feeling that one day I'll do that. I asked one friend that I want to learn guitar, so that's again one more feeling that's always in my mind. I bought one keyboard, which is the piano keyboard, and then I play it sometimes because I love it. So there are so many things which we can do, right? And we should do it, and trust me, you will feel much better. Like, it's not like if you will work for 24 hours, then it's gonna deliver you good results. You need to rest properly, you need to wake up on time, you need to sleep on time, you need to do other things, you should visit places, you should take some breaks in between, you should play some music, you should watch television, you should watch Netflix. So everything you should do. It's not like just that if I'll work for 24 hours all the time, then I'll build something great, or I will become the next billionaire. It doesn't work like that, man. So be I would say that whatever you want, I mean, not every time you can do everything, but there is a time, I mean, you can prioritize things better. So I don't know why I'm talking about all of this, but I just felt that I should talk about it. So that's it. And I am really sorry for the bad video quality, but it's about heart, right? It's not about how it looks. It's more about heart to heart connection, and internet connection is not good at all, but I know we have a good connection. So thank you so much again for everything which you have done so far. It's not about that I make videos or I inspire people. It's more about that we have something to share, you guys have something to share, I have something to share, and we all want to make it a better world. It's very easy to complain about things, but when it comes to us, when it comes to that we have to do something for the world, or for I mean, for everyone. I mean, if I'm saying that education system is not good, but I cannot do anything about education, then it's a wastage, because if you are criticizing someone for something, then you should be good at it. So that's what I feel, that even though there are many problems, but if we will try all to do our best, then definitely we can do great things. That's my belief, and that's what I am doing. Okay, so whatever I know, I try to do things, and it's not about just about making money or something. It's more about something doing for humanity, something doing for friends, something doing for family, and also living a good life. So it's a combination of everything. Apart from that, what should we talk about? Okay, so I think I should go, because yes, my mom is calling. But just want to say thanks again to all of you. Thanks for connecting, and sorry for not replying you directly, because it really feels very bad when you guys message me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, if I'm not able to reply. Let me tell you one thing, that I try to read every message, but not instantly. I mean, it can take me a week to read those messages, but I try to read everything. And because I travel a lot, so every day when I go to office, I am traveling 4 to 5 hours. So at that time, either I'm listening to music and reading your messages, or I am doing something. Sometimes I watch Netflix and other things, but at the end I am reading your messages. Okay, so sometimes I cannot talk to you, but whenever I'll meet you, just try to grab me. Okay, just have to come to me and just ask anything you want, anything. So, and I'll try to come everywhere whenever I'll get a chance. So it's not like I don't want to go somewhere. I want to go everywhere. I want to talk to people, especially those students who are struggling, because I am also a struggler, and struggle makes you a better person. So don't fear about failing. It's a part of life, and everything will happen. Everything good will happen, and also everything happens for a reason. So if let me give you a simple example. I was rejected in SAP, which is SAP, and at that time I really wanted that job. And when I got rejected, it felt like, I mean, I don't want to give interviews. It's very annoying. But because I was thinking that I am one of the candidates there who deserves this job, but then there were like foolish things happened, and then somehow I lost that job, and I couldn't crack it. Then I was very sad. I was very disappointed because I wanted that job, and I was feeling that अगर ये job मिल गई then मज़ा आ जाएगा, but नहीं मिली. So now I think if I have got that job, then I even wouldn't have talking to you, or wherever I am, I wouldn't be here. So I personally feel that whatever happens for a good reason. If we want to do something, if we have that courage to do something, if we can dream about things, then nobody can stop us. Even if we have, like, we are financially weak, we can have some other problems, but at the end we are gonna rock. Okay, so rejections are a part of life. You will see a lot of rejections. Even you'll see that a lot of people are becoming so much good, and you are somewhere lost. So don't worry about that. Just try to make your own way. Don't compare yourself with others, but compare yourself with yourself. I mean, just compare your yesterday with your today, not with someone else's yesterday and today. Okay, so when you will try to compare with someone else's life, then things will get worse, because nobody is living your life. Okay, only you are living your life. And it's like, when we hear some stories, we get inspired, but for a very small time, because I personally feel that at that time, when you are getting inspiration from someone, it's for us, maybe for few minutes, just because it's not your life. If it will be completely your life, then it will be for lifetime. So nobody can replace you. Nobody can play the same life which you are playing a role in. So I personally feel that you have a different life than anyone else, so you will have a different story. So don't have to follow anyone. You just have to follow yourself, and you have to rewrite your journey again and again, because you cannot leave everything on destiny. You have to write it. So that's my message for the day. And thank you again for wonderful wishes. I personally feel very much glad that I did whatever I did, and it really feels so good to see you guys messaging me every day and reading things like someone got a job because of me, someone got a placement, someone got something. I mean, it's all good. Even few people criticize me for few things, but that's fine, and that's a part of life. So that's a part of YouTube as well, right? So I'll definitely make one video on my journey, because all of you want it. So like this video. If you like it, then definitely I'll get the idea that you want to hear more about me, because it's not a tech video. So just increase the like counts on this video, and I'll make sure that you will get good videos, not just about tech but about life, but about struggles, about how to get rid of them. So that's the idea. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for wishes, and I hope that every one of you will get what they want, not just me. And I am also looking for making something good, making something great for people. So if you are like me, then let's do it together, and let's do whatever we can do the best. Thank you guys for joining again, and thank you so much for wishing me. Bye bye, take care, have a good night, and have a great year.